How to add skills on LinkedIn in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just show you how you can add skills on your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, you have to come to the linkedin.com official website of LinkedIn and then log into your LinkedIn profile. And after logging in, you can just click on your plus icon and click on your profile picture, or you can just click on view profile and then you just have to scroll down. And after scrolling down, you can see under the education section the skill section here, and you can just click on the plus icon from here. And as you can see, there's a skills that are suggesting me based on my profile. So you can just click on the marketing. Let's say I am going to add marketing as my new skill, like show us where you use this skill. So you can just also show LinkedIn where you use the skill, like in under your experience profile. As you can see, let's say I'm going to add this on my profile or the experience section, and then this section and this sector also. And you can check the follow this skill to keep up with relevant content and click on save. And as you can see, the marketing skill is successfully added to my skill section, and it also shows where did I use this skill on my experiences. And you can click on see all experiences, as you can see, and you can also edit your skills from here. So for that, you have to click on the pen icon from here, and you can just edit it as you like and click on save to save the skills. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.